Hello, my Nigeria people wey dey Italy. How una dey? Now we don hear the announcement when Italian government announced earlier this month when they announced say they wan regularize all illegal migrants. Migrants from what they call them, Africa, from Asia, from European countries. They wan regularize them. They say they go reach almost 60,000 irregular migrants, so they won't make the apostle. That means they won't put them, regularize them, so they go fit they work legally and they get all the benefits wey they deserve. And a good thing be that what all nine bad pass. So why they read this news be say our Nigerians so go apply for this document so where they start on the 1st of June 2020 to end 15th of July 2020. They go need some documents and they need to go to the embassy, our Nigerian embassy for home, waiting for Italy here. But the embassies, our Nigerian embassy still they close because of the coronavirus matter. So the National Union of all Nigeria Associations with Italy can't say I they go take help the matter. They can't say they go they work with the embassy hand in hand this time through the regional associations. That is, the embassy go work with NUNI, National Union of Nigeria Association. National Union of Nigeria Association go work with all the regional associations. I go read now all the names of all the accredited Nigerian associations when they Italy, when they don't register with the embassy, when they work with the embassy. I go read their names now. We get Nigeria Association waiting for Modena. We get Nigeria Association for Ancona. We get Nigeria Association for Udine. We also get for Genova. We get for Novara. We get for Mantova. Nigeria Association for Trento. We get for Pavia. We also get for Campania. That is Napoli area. We also get for Ferrara. We get for Reggio Emilia. Nigeria Association for Milan. Nigeria Association for Roma, Lazio. Nigeria Association there for Bologna, there for Firenze, there for Como, there for Pesaro, there for Verona, there for Abruzzo, there for Palermo, there for Venice, there for Padova, there for Pisa, there for Monza, there for Piacenza, there for Ravenna, there for Asti, and there for Treviso. All these names when I call are the accredited Nigeria Association when they for Italy. That means what we know for Italy, maybe this ones. Now, if you live for any of these areas, the list of coordinators, telephone number, they with me. But not feel publish on here because of privacy reason. So if you be one of those illegal migrants, we're supposed to go embassy, go ask for this certificate of nationality. That's the certificate of nationality. You will get to go through the Nigeria Association where they near you. You call me, I will leave the number here too. You will call me or you inbox me and I will leave the number for you. Then you will call the coordinator and the coordinator will tell you what to do. But meanwhile, for record purposes, may I could tell you here first. Now, what will be the requirements to get the certificate of nationality? That's the requirement to get the certificate of nationality from the embassy. Embassy say number one, you will get your certificate of origin. That's your certificate of local government origin, you'll get them. That one day easy. If you call your people when they're home, they will send them to you. May they go those local government offices within Nigeria. For your area now, may they go there, ask them, they go do one for you. Then they send them to you through email. They will send them to you to your phone too. You print them, you make copy of it, you scan them, whatever you want to do. You do one. Then with 80 euro too, I mean the cost to do this certificate of nationality, you will bring 2 passport size photographs. Just 2, just your passport picture, 2. What's in again at the leave out? Then when you can't get these things, you can't call the coordinator for your area. When you call the coordinator, you go meet with the coordinator. Now the coordinator gets the form from the embassy. You go fill the form with capital letters. They say it must be capital letters. If you use small letter, what are they? So make sure it's a capital letter. When you fill the form finish, you go come pack everything, give the coordinator. That is the form when you fill. When the coordinator give you what you feel, you will give her to her. You will give her 80 euro too. You give her 2 passport size photograph. You could give them again. That's your copy of your certificate of your local government of origin. You go come take all of them, come submit them for embassy. Embassy go work on them, they go stamp and they go seal them, prepare them well the way Italian government need them. Then they will give them to the coordinator, and the coordinator will give them back to you with receipt of payments. Okay? So everything they transparent. If you did Napoli, that is if you did Campania, make I give you the info. Campania, that is you did for Salerno, you did for Caserta, that is Castelvolturno area. You did for Avellino, you did for Benevento, you did for Napoli. We get coordinators already there. Now, the president of the Nigerian Association for Campania, Mr. Michael Melikon, are one of the coordinators. Reverend Father Agino Sobia, are one of the coordinators. Chief Austin DK, are one of the coordinators. And my humble self too, I'll be one of the coordinators for Campania region for Napoli. So if you need any assistance, you need help or anything, just inbox me and I will give you all these people number. I don't want to put on here for public. I'll give you the number privately. So any area where you feel me, if na Castelvolturno you there, if na Salerno you there, anywhere you there, the one where they nearest to you, you call them and I go meet and arrange everything. Okay? So, having said that, what else again? I want to use this opportunity to talk to our Niger people. You know, this is not a good opportunity for now to register for any Nigeria association where they near you. You see this COVID-19 matter, this coronavirus will happen, so many people suffer. Help come. Really help. Big organization like Action Aid. Many people, they come, they won't help. They won't know what's be the problem, whether not food or how they want to help. Sanitizer, just name it, because nobody plan now. Imagine people stay for house for over 3 months. Over 2 months. They not plan anything. Some people save nothing, they their hand, their money finish. So they can say they won't help them, they won't give them food, they won't give them things. But we don't know how we want to locate them because we're not there together. Even the church itself, all the churches they scatter. They don't get one body where you say national, that is church union, they don't get them. Then this cultural association, they don't still get one body. Nigerian Association are the only association when all of them supposed to come under. Because when you do foreign land, guess what? They recognize the Nigerian Association. For foreign land, there for Italy, they don't recognize any ethnic cultural group. They don't recognize them. A cultural group like Edo community, cultural group like Oduduwa or Ndigbo or Olu or Igbo community. No, they recognize Nigerian community. That is why you see when something happen for Italy, they go say one Nigerian guy do this or one Nigerian lady do this. They don't they say one Benin boy or one Benin girl or one Igbo girl or one Yoruba girl. Now Nigeria, you understand? So for that singular reason, we need to come together. Apart from that, even job self will begin to help ourselves because information is power. The information they bring transformation. So if the leaders of the churches, they attend the Nigerian Association, they feel they give information on what did they happen for the country to their members. If the presidents of all these cultural associations today attend meetings, Nigerian meetings too, they go visit, they help too. And so we go rub hand together, we'll become okay here. So I go use this media to really invite all Nigerians to be part of their association for anywhere where they dey. It's important. Okay? So I want to thank you too. And if you don't understand anything, feel free to inbox me, leave a voice message because I know they pick any calls. Because sometimes when you call, maybe I did meeting or I did do 1 or 2 things and I don't know if you pick your calls. So it's important if you leave message, I go see them as soon as I have chance and I go reply you. Okay? I hope I've said everything I'm supposed to say. And if you get any news too, if you get information, don't forget to tell us. Inbox me if job there anywhere. We'll tell our people. Okay? Well, thank you very much for your time and remain blessed. Most importantly, stay safe. Observe all the rules and regulations, social distances, now for you and my benefits. Okay? Bye now.